Welcome back, everybody. So we'll start right off. I'm investing using the Robinhood app, and the best thing about that is there's no trading fees, so you can trade as much as you want, and there's no fee. And they're actually introducing options soon. So for the format, I think I'm going to start out with just a snapshot of my Robinhood app. So as you can see in the past week, my first week, I've made $22. And a quick disclaimer is 6 of those dollars came from 2 free stocks I got for inviting friends to Robinhood. So we'll just look at what I put in. These here are my Zynga stocks. These are what I got for free. So I didn't buy those. They just gave them to me. GoPro, Kraft, GE. That was my best performing stock. And real quick, I know all the books on it right now look really bad. Like the cash flow statement has problems. The balance sheet has problems. And even the income statement shows problems. But I know a little bit about this company. And I know that what they're doing is they're dumping all the things that are costing them money, and they're keeping the 3 main businesses, which is aviation, power, and health. And I think if they do that, they're going to look real good in the future. So I noticed that everybody's leaving the GE stock, and it's been plummeting for the last couple months. And then I bought in at like $15, so it was really, I think it's the lowest it's going to go. So I'm easing into it right there, in hopes that it'll return to its $40 range at some point in the future. So next I have Ford. Using the intrinsic value calculator from Buffett stocks, this has it at $76. So or even higher actually. And right now it's trading at $13. So I think there's a lot of potential here. The only thing that worries me with the Ford stock is the amount of debt. And for some reason they're taking out more and more debt, which I can't really figure out because it seems like they're turning a good profit. So I'm keeping an eye on that. I have to look more into Ford, but that's one of the reasons I bought in, was based off the intrinsic value calculator from buffettstocks.com. And I'll put a link to a video on how to get there, how to use it. Another YouTuber has a nice video on how to use this calculator. But from what I'm looking at, it's at least $76 intrinsic value. So I'm easing into Ford as well. Next, I've got eBay, which is doing pretty good. Balance sheets look fine on eBay. Apple has a really good balance sheet, cash flow statement, income statement. Next is, this is an ETF that's traded by AI, and I just want to get into AI for a minute. We saw artificial intelligence beat the world's best chess player with brute force programming. Recently, we saw AI beat the world's best Go player. And the difference between Go and chess is there's a lot more outcomes to Go. There's more ways to play a game of Go than there are grains of sand on the planet. So you couldn't beat it. You couldn't beat the human with brute force. At that point, you needed an AI that's actually learning how to play Go. So it's revolutionary. So the AI actually beat the Go player using strategy, learned strategy from playing against itself millions and millions of games. So if you apply that logic to the stock market, I think an AI is going to be able to perform a lot better than any human being, because they're going to be able to process more data faster and have a much better strategy. So that's why I'm going into the AI EQ. I haven't dug too much into the financials, which I still have to do. I've got a lot of homework to do still, but this is just a quick snapshot of where I am. A quick look at my goals. One of my goals was to, by cutting down on drinking and tobacco, I wanted to free up $200 a week to put into the stock market, and I was able to do that. So I reached that goal. I had 500 from 2017 that I saved up because I knew I was going to get into this, and then 200 from fiscal week 1. So that brings me to $700. So I was able to get that goal, $200 this week. My next goal was, did I stay sober? I did. I haven't touched a drink this year, so passed that one. Did I lose 0.6 pounds? So if I lose 0.6 pounds every week, that would get me to my 30 pounds by the end of the year. And that one was a big no. I actually gained a pound, which I have no idea how that happened. But just for a snapshot, here's our cat looking fairly unimpressed with my progress. As you can see, I'm currently at 238 pounds even. So hopefully next week I'll do better. I'm still not sure how I gained weight, but it happened. So that was a fail. Did not lose. Next, did I get 20 subscribers? So my goal for the end of 2018 was to have 1,000 subscribers, and that was no. I actually got 0 subscribers, and I don't think I'm very good at YouTube because if you look, I actually I not only have 0 subscribers, but I only had 3 views on my introductory video. So if you're watching this, you can help me out with that goal. Subscribe or even share this channel with somebody you know that might be getting into the stock market, or even if you're getting into the stock market, it'd be nice to have somebody to go down this road with. So if you're watching, leave a comment, let me know. 200 invested, yes. Sobriety, yes. Lost 6 pounds, no. And 20 subscribers, no. So I'm doing okay. Didn't quite hit all my goals, but that's all right. I made a total of $22.17, which is way better than I thought I would do. Like I said, $6 came from $6 of that came from 2 free stocks that I got for inviting friends. These Zynga stocks, but still a pretty good return. And I'll be doing some homework this weekend and looking for what I'm going to put my next $200 into. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to follow me, and leave a comment if you're actually watching this, because I don't think anybody's watching these. Take care.